So last time I did Drive Time real estate update, I promised that I'd talk a little bit about what's going on in the more traditional side of the business, the non-distressed side. And what we're seeing in a lot of our markets, including Grand Rapids and Traverse City and a lot of our markets along Lake Shore, is that the interest in homeowner-owned homes has increased and the market mix has improved. So no longer are the buyers primarily focused on foreclosure in the very low-end market, but it's through the mid-range and the higher-end market. And so the new inventory that's coming to market, the new listings as they hit the market, are getting a ton of activity and a ton of interest, to the point where we're seeing multiple offer situations, seeing properties actually sell at or above asking price, and we're seeing that a lot of agents having some frustration where they've got a buyer client who wants to see some properties and may select 6 or 7 properties, and by the time they get them scheduled for showings, 2 or 3 or 4 of them even will be under contract. Now, that showing activity is translated through to closed activity. Just yesterday, being the last day of April, we closed out our month, and in doing so, for our company, which is 39 offices, we had one of our best single-day closing processing days that we've ever had. We processed 74 transactions yesterday alone, and that pushed our month for April, which was already ahead of last year, well ahead of last year. So we're seeing that the activity that the agents are experiencing, the demand for new inventory to come on the market, translate through to closings. What it means for a customer or consumer, especially a home seller, is that if you had your home on the market 6 months ago or a year ago and weren't getting activity on it, it's probably wise to take another try now, or at least get an updated market analysis to say what's going on in the market today. The market has changed substantially in the last 6 months to a year. We're seeing it impact our closed business in a significant way, and so now we're eagerly out there searching for new sellers to come on the market, to the point that we're actually beginning in some of our markets to advertise not our listings, but to advertise the buyers that we have under client or under contract, so that we might attract the seller to the transaction. It's a pretty big reversal from where we were. So what's it mean? Great market in a lot of elements. Realistic sellers, strong buyer interest, and what really makes it a great market is the fact that we're looking at historic low interest rates. We're still looking at 4% interest rates. So, buyers, you probably missed the bottom, and your time to buy is now. Sellers, yeah, your day in the sun is perhaps on its way again. And in the meantime, we've got a pretty good balance going on.